Daniel Parsons, really excited about Vital Health, and I want to show you how to get started. We have all the bells and whistles and tools you need, and these products, once people use them, people get incredible results. So I want to go ahead and start off with my disclaimer. Vital health products are not intended to treat, cure, diagnose, prevent any disease or illness. Individual results may vary. Please consult with your medical professional for all of your healthcare needs. And so, uh, to get started in Vital Health, you need somebody to sponsor you. It's all affiliate marketing, and you can start off as a preferred customer. And that is simply once a year, pay $29.90. And that gets you the wholesale price on the product, like I get. Okay. And I'm going to just show you three to try to keep the video as short as possible. The Love Cafe. I have been off of coffee for 20 years. However, this product has incredible adaptogens, and this is helping me with a concern that I have. So I only take 1/2 of a teaspoon and put it in some semi-warm water. So I make sure that I don't destroy any of those nutrients and the adaptogens and the nanotechnology that's in this product. And then I add it to about that much water in a shaker bottle, that 1/2 a teaspoon. And then boom, I get that wonderful coffee taste. I get those adaptogens, and it's a very small amount of caffeine. And so I'm able to lay my head down on the pillow at night because I do exercise, and I go right to sleep. So no problems whatsoever. This other product that is really, really powerful for anti-aging, for your immune system, is this Vitalage Collagen with NAD. And that is very powerful for slowing down the aging process. And so there's a whole bunch more. There's a young woman that has a products video in our Telegram room, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute. And then this last one is I have this around 10 o'clock in the morning. This has absolutely no caffeine. It's just simply making sure that I'm getting all of the nutrients, because we eat a really healthy diet of fruits in the morning. And we also have some quinoa with a small amount of oatmeal and some honey and some flaxseed. And so after about an hour and a half, my stomach rests, I put this in around 10 o'clock in the morning into my body, and it's powerful. It's a multivitamin, natural lemon flavored supplement. So it's also giving you amino acids, it's giving you vitamins, minerals, pre and probiotics. And this is really, really good for your digestive tract also. And I tell you, my wife is really happy with this product. Um, so that's just a brief introduction to the product. Now, what you need to do, you go to your web browser and you would type in brainhealthincome.com. Once again, brainhealthincome.com. And the website that you would show up at is, I copied the link there, Control V, because I have a redirect to this site. So let me go ahead and go on screen share, and I'll pull that in here and show you. Okay, so this is what you're going to end up on with my brainhealthincome.com website. I've redirected. Just accept in the lower right there. Welcome to Vital Health, a company full of possibilities. And so now become an affiliate right here if you want to make money like I do. Okay. And so I've never seen such a generous income plan in this company. And what you can actually do is, instead of buying your coffee from Amazon or something like that, you purchase it through Vital Health, and then you're doing what's known as transfer purchasing. You're moving your money from one purchase that's Amazon doesn't pay you any money, whereas Vital Health will. And so you can also just be that preferred customer I mentioned if you want to start off that way and then work up to where you're making money, and you can always upgrade. It's the last call, though, on these founders to get into one of the founders for the United States market, where you would end up getting a 1% share of the bonus pools for all of their sales in the year. And so I have been able to do that and have been upgraded to platinum. And then I will show you, you're going to get a bonus scanner, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But so you would just click on become an affiliate, continue. Okay, so English is your language. If it's Spanish, by all means use Spanish. And so yes, you want to confirm that you're not a robot and you're joining Daniel Parsons. And so when you click that, you'll hit continue, and then you would be USA market mostly. If you're in Mexico or Canada, please select that. Or if you're in one of these other countries in Central America, so we are expanding. And there will be other countries down the road, but right now they're focusing on North America and Central America, and probably soon South America. So you would hit USA, you would want your product shipped, and then you can come in and be in the binary and start making money on this bronze package right here. This is where I started, and then I upgraded to platinum. So I'm going to go off of screen share, and now I want to come over here to WhatsApp. So let me go back in here and go back on screen share. Okay, so for people that are on WhatsApp, you want to join the Vital Health Global English company. This is a channel, okay? And so here is that scanner. So it's a limited time offer, good until the 30th of June, 2025. So that's tomorrow. Today I'm making this on Sunday the 29th. And in 3 to 4 weeks, you will be the first to receive this scanner. So they have got them on the way. And so help your customers test and not guess, grow your business in this process. For a short time only, you can grab the Vital Health Resonance Scanner, valued at $300 for just $149 when you purchase or upgrade to a platinum package before June 30th, 2025. Okay. This powerful tool allows you to scan your clients, give them personalized insights into what their body actually needs, taking the guesswork out of wellness, build more trust and credibility, offer customized product guidance, stand out with real value and results. Delivery will be in July, so later on in July, the third or fourth week, available in the US and Canada. Contact customer service once it's ready to place your order. Don't miss this chance to elevate your impact and income with a scanner that works as hard as you do. So you can actually pre-sell the scanner right here when you're in your, I'll show you that in a minute. And then here's the other thing. On the channel, you'll get notification Monday through Friday. I'm on the West Coast in Washington State. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning is the time of the AM power call, and they have incredible motivational trainings for you and helping you build your business. All the resources you can possibly imagine is provided to you. And then once again in the evening, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon on the West Coast, and then it's 8 o'clock p.m. in the evening in Miami and New York for Eastern time. So if you're in Central or Mountain, just convert. So twice a day, Monday through Friday. They even have a Friday evening call, which is an opportunity call. And so that's 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern or 5 p.m. West Coast time. So, and then let me go off of screen share and let me pull up my Telegram. And then let's make sure I can get into my Telegram. And so go off of screen share and go back to share my screen. And let's go to window and share. And so let me go into Telegram. So here is my Telegram room. So it's wellness foods. So if you type in Telegram t.me/wellness foods, and that's plural, foods is plural with an S on the end, you will come into my Telegram team room. I have everything here. I have info on the scanner. Training is in this topic here. Vital Pay is the payment system where you can get your payouts, or Vital Health pay plan info is in this one topic right here. Here's news that comes out, flash promo sales, which are often motivation. I post those in this topic. Success system. Use this Vital Health bot and you just type in blood sugar problem and then it'll make recommendations. May help with. And so recommendations, products, certification information, all the income disclaimer, the podcast, social media, support, and the science. And if I find other topics that would help you, I'll post them here. So please don't come in and join my wellness foods unless you're a team member of mine or somebody that I sponsor, because we just want to keep the membership for people that are part of the team. And so that right there is your getting started guide. They also have boards, and those boards have flip books. You can show people product. You copy a link and you can text it to somebody. You can email it to somebody. And I'm really, really excited about Vital Health. I did go down and tour the laboratories. They are super clean. This company is very, very professional. It's very heavily financed. There's no debt. This is going to be a home run. So I'm looking forward to working with you. And so that's your getting started guide with Vital Health. Daniel signing off for now. Bye for now.